You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 80, Configuring Model Inheritance in Jira Asset. To perform this lab, we need to log in using our primary account. I am logged in using my primary account. Let's click on Assets. And now under Schemas, we are going to click on Asset Management. In Schema tree, under Network Model, we are going to click on these three dots. Object type setting, yes, we did this for other object type as well. Now go to Inheritance, select Pass All Attribute, click on select Set this object, then go back to Network Module. Close this. In this lab, we have enabled inheritance in Jira Asset. So this lab was about configuring model inheritance in the Jira Assets. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.